Let's get to oil prices in New York, closing above $60 a barrel, trading near three-year highs as we look at the prospect of even higher U.S. crude output and supply that could hurt the bullish run that we've seen. President Trump is unleashing the biggest expansion of offshore oil and gas drilling in U.S. history, reversing the Obama administration's oil drilling rules. Starting in 2019, the government says it'll open up tracts including the east and west coasts, part of the Gulf of Mexico, plus waters off Alaska, as you see on this map. Canary is one of the largest privately owned oil field services companies in the U.S. Joining us now in a Fox Business exclusive is the CEO, Dan Eberhart, and he's also an advisor to America First Policies. Dan, protests notwithstanding, let's just say this. How will this impact the price of oil and the survival of oil companies if you increase the supply by opening up all this offshore drilling?
Well, I think in the long term, if there's more production, it's more, the oil consumption is going to be needed anyway. I think what it leads to is America buying less foreign oil and more domestic oil, which contributes to domestic jobs and domestic and our national security.
Let me push back on you. I'm not so sure,
okay.
And here's why. It is fantastic that we don't depend on Arab oil anymore. I love that. We went through the 70s oil crunch. I was a kid. We had to wait in line. It was a disaster. I don't want to depend on countries that hate us, like Iran. That's a good thing. However, when you add that much supply, the price normally goes down. And unless every Econ 101 professor on this planet Earth is wrong, you'll see a price drop, and then what follows might be bankruptcies en masse. Even Harold Hamm has said that if the industry keeps doing this, that they may douse the big bull run in prices.
Sure. Well, I mean, I think there's a lot of truth to that too. But I think that in the long term, if we provide more drilling opportunities in the U.S., the oil industry will find an efficient way to do that, and a way to do it in a profitable way that produces returns for shareholders. Otherwise, it won't get drilled.
What about protests? We can remember protests off the East Coast, closer to Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, when they were talking about wind farms off the coast of Hyannisport. Even green energy on these coasts is certainly getting pushback. What do you expect to see here, certainly when you go to the West Coast and the East Coast to try and open up these offshore drilling patches?
Well, I think there's going to be a lot of pushback. I think there's been some pushback from different governors and stuff that I've read. But I think that ultimately this is a draft proposed plan, and I think the plan will get changed a little bit as it works its way through the system. But I think that we should be focused on drilling at home as opposed to buying some oil from overseas, from the Arab countries and elsewhere. I think it's good for national security, whether it's good for the economics of the oil business or not.
We'll see. We will watch it. Dan, thank you very much.